Put on your parka and gloves. We're going to tour a spectacular villa above the Arctic Circle. It may be sunny today, but it's a balmy negative 27 degrees Fahrenheit. Today we're going to travel through the spruce and over the tundra to a property that has some of the best views in Alaska. Relax to the calming sound of squeaky snow and sleep to the soothing sounds of the Arctic in this isolated location overlooking one of Alaska's most scenic points. There's something inherently cozy about a backcountry getaway in that it offers a rustic simplicity and proximity to nature. But for those who like the idea of back-to-the-basics vacation more than the reality of it, consider a vintage cabin with a nearby guest bungalow. Both offer all the rustic charm of a simple structure in the middle of nowhere, coupled with the occasional Bigfoot sighting and stunning views right outside your window. Here's a look at one of the most luxurious cabin-inspired getaways in North America. It offers welcome touches of state-of-the-art air conditioning, extra cabinet space, and world-class art. As if that's not enough, the guest bungalow has custom seating found nowhere else in the entire world. Let's take one last look at this Arctic beauty. For more Alaska adventures, hit the subscribe button.